Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The World Cup is in full swing, and after a long day at work, the last thing you want it is spending hours to making dinner while your favorite game just gonna start. I have you covered. Today I'm making a delicious, healthy and family friendly meal. I'm gonna do oven roasted drumstick with side of crispy fries. It's gonna be a very fast, very delicious, and easy to make. And it requires no chopping and no peeling and no mincing. Okay, stay with me and please let me know if you made this dish in a comment, and let's get started.
Let's start by cleaning and patting the chicken drumsticks completely dry with paper towel. Next, using a sharp knife, make a few shallow slits in each drumsticks. This helps the seasoning soak deep into the meat, giving you juicy, flavorful chicken in every bite. Now let's make our marinade. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of dry thyme. Please don't forget the thyme. This is very essential to this marinade. 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Now add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and mix everything until well combined. Now add the chicken drumsticks to the bowl with marinade. Give the drumsticks a good toss until every piece is evenly coated with the flavorful marinade. If you're enjoying this recipe so far and would like to see more delicious meals from House's Kitchen, I'd really appreciate your support. Please leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for being here. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to let all those delicious flavors soak into the chicken. Now grab a large baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil over the parchment. Then use a pastry brush to spread the olive oil evenly across the entire surface. Now arrange the drumsticks in a single layer on the prepared baking tray, leaving a little bit of space between each one for even cooking. Transfer the baking tray to a preheated 400 degrees of Fahrenheit or 200 degrees of Celsius oven and bake for about 35 minutes or until the drumsticks reach an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees of Celsius. For the side dish, I'm using store-bought pre-cut fries. To boost the flavor, I am tossing them with Italian seasoning, then spread them out on a well-oiled baking tray. These fries only need about 7 to 10 minutes in a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven to get perfectly crispy. Just keep an eye on them and always follow the package instructions for the best result. Everything is looking great. Don't forget to subscribe to House's Kitchen for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you for watching. After 35 minutes, remove the drumsticks and fries from the oven. Plate everything nicely and get ready to serve.
Okay, friends, your team is winning, your food is ready, and you're gonna enjoy this dish. It is chicken oven roasted with some fries and some salad. I think that's the best kind you're gonna have. And please, follow this recipe. It is so delicious, and it's gonna be really, really fabulous. Let's dig in. Oy, I can't believe what I done. This is so good. Guys, you have to make this and enjoy your team winning goals, and share this recipe with your friends and family, and make sure that continue following me for more and more recipe and delicious ones. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good games. Thank you very much and goodbye.